Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your JLab earbuds. First, you'll need to prepare your earbuds and device. Start by going into your phone's Bluetooth settings and selecting Forget this device or Unpair for your JLab earbuds. This clears any previous connections. Next, place both earbuds into their charging case, making sure the lid is open and the case has enough power. This sets the stage for a successful reset. Now for the core reset action. With the earbuds still in the open charging case, quickly tap the touch sensor on one earbud exactly 7 times. You should see a blue light flash 4 times, indicating the reset command was received. Immediately repeat this 7-tap process on the other earbud. This ensures both earbuds are reset to their factory default settings, clearing any internal glitches. Once both earbuds have been reset, remove them from the charging case. They will automatically enter pairing mode. You'll notice one earbud blinking blue and white, while the other displays a solid white light. This visual cue confirms they are ready to connect. Now, simply go back to your device's Bluetooth settings, find your JLab earbuds in the list, and select them to repair. You should hear a voice prompt confirming connection. If you still encounter issues after resetting, a quick troubleshooting tip is to toggle your device's Bluetooth off and then back on. This can often refresh the connection. If the earbuds don't pair on the first try, simply repeat the 7-tap reset process. Remember, a factory reset can resolve many common connectivity problems. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.